want to come in? Go level 30 first. Hmm? Oh my goulet. Check out the view, guys. This is my first time here. In fact, it's also your first time here with me. Take a look at this view. To my right here is the infamous Opera House. And there, as you can see in front of me, is the Harbour Bridge as well. So I get to spend a few days here with you guys, checking out these beautiful 270-degree views. Spectacular, amazing. Check out this king-size bed here. I cannot wait to jump into this bed. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to wake up to these views and you guys are going to be with me. Are you excited, guys? Next, tayo. So first stop, Jacuzzi. Wow, yayamanin. Then we move on. Wow, this place is as big as the bedroom. Amazing, ganda. Tapos, here is the shower. Wow, it's so nice and simple, luxurious. I can sleep here. And their towels are so soft and plush, you can feel their quality. Here we're gonna have this set up and ready. Go. And here we have a nice, beautiful, hot spa. Wow, it's so big. This is huge. You can fit like 2 or 3 people in here. Maybe 4 Anake vegans in here. Can you imagine soaking up this view while taking a bath? Amazing. Set of hand towels for when we wash our hands so that we can keep safe. And also complimentary unlimited supply of bottled water for our hydration. Quick FYI, here in Australia we can drink from the tap, but they still provide us with the complimentary bottled water. And here we also have the toiletries, courtesy of L'Occitane. So you get the body wash, the shampoo, the body and skin lotion. You also get your toothbrushes, your toothpaste, mouthwash, many other things as well that come complimentary in a 5-star hotel. Oh, the one thing I like doing when I go to a hotel is I like to discover things. Look what I found here. Let's try to open this. You know what, I love manga cabins. I love how they wrap everything up like as if it's all brand new. And you get the experience opening new things for the first time. Wow, maganda, sobrang maganda. It's a Japanese robe, a blue Japanese robe. Feels so light. The material is so plush as well. Quality. The smell of the robe is the same scent as the bedroom. Alright, let's now put it on so that we can feel the quality of it. It's so light. Yeah, and it also matches my suit. Right, so that's what that was for. Meet Samurai Sam. Like a samurai. Tapos, we go to the wardrobe now. Take a look at the bathrobes. Beautifully pressed, nice and fresh. These are the robes that you would see in the commercial ads. Nice slippers. And the Chanels are the pasalubong. We'll take these ones home, it's mga kaibigans. With the Shangri-La logo. So normally back at home we don't have these towel racks. But as you can see here, everything is packed fresh for you. Definitely feels like luxury. You can tell that I like to open new things and unpack it, even if it was with one hand. Okay, I give up. Let's go to the lounge room. Oh, grabe talaga. It is so nice. Look at this view. It's amazing. Let's go check out the powder room, second toilet, and the minibar. Very classy, very clean, very elegant. And we have the minibar section. They gave us complimentary champagne for the night. Alright, I'm just going to go down to the level 2.
In 6 months, I'm going to change your name.
So among our cabins now, we've just come down to level 2 to check out the spa. This is the waiting area so that when you go in to do your massage, looks ganda. And these are some of the items that you can buy from the hotel. Let's go for a walk in to see the spa and the swimming pool. Next, Tarasa conference rooms. Let's go check it out. So the Shangri-La here was built in the 90s in Sydney. And you can see that they've really encapsulated the essence of it. I feel like I've been transported back in time, walking through all of these rooms. This is where all the presidents, the chairmen, the CEOs usually have their meetings. So that's our pasyal, guys. Next we have our merienda. We head on up to level 30. Ayan guys, did you like the Shangri-La Hotel? Let me know what you think. Comment down below your favorite part of the tour. Part 2 is coming soon. Abangan, kita-kits. Hey, musta mga kaibigan? Don't forget to like, share, comment, lahat na. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Ingat.